How to change your age on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Then, click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Click on Settings and Privacy. And here, click on Account, which is the first option. Then, click on Account Information, which is also the first option. Then click on Date of Birth. After you click on Date of Birth, simply click on Birth Date. And from here, you'll be able to change your birthday. According to that, it will change your age. Press on Save. Then confirm it. After you're done confirming, you're good to go. This is how to change your age on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.